Visuals are the success of any tile-based company. No matter how beautiful the tile designs your business would have, it would give an epic result only when the image of the tile design would be visualized into a digital room, like a bathroom, bedroom, kitchen, living room, outdoor or commercial space. Welcome to Rich and Leah Tiles Trading. We offer an incredible selection of styles, including minimalist, floral, black and white, modern, rustic, and geometric tiles. Our 3D tile visualizer lets you step inside your dream space before it's even built. Use the 3D tile simulator to experiment with different layouts and orientations in a realistic digital environment. Our AI-powered tile recommendation engine suggests the best styles for your home based on your preferences. Stay informed with our AI Review Summarizer, which highlights key feedback from other customers. And use our precise tile calculator to ensure you order exactly what you need with zero waste. It's innovation right in your pocket. Don't just imagine your dream home, visualize it. Rich and Leah Tiles Trading, where style meets innovation, one tile at a time. See you there!